Hey, Trucker Todd here, and today's video is sponsored by the fine folks at Mudflap. If you're not familiar with the Mudflap app, they offer you ways to save money on fuel. And if you click the link in my description below, you'll receive $10 off the first time you use their app to fill up if you do it within the first 5 days. So why not give them a shot? You could save 20, 30, even 50 cents or more per gallon on diesel. And you don't have to be a truck driver to use it. If you use diesel, you can use this app. So look down in the description below for the link to receive that savings for being a viewer of this channel. Alright, let's jump right into the regularly scheduled video. Well, good morning, Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Overdryve 7 Pro 2. This is not the first one that everyone complained about, that it was horrible. This is supposed to be an improved one with a better processor, a better battery, things like that. And so this video is not going to be a review of that. It's just going to be the unboxing. And then we'll come back and do a review video on it after I've had a little time to use it. This video I'm actually filming in advance, so the time between when you'll see the unboxing and when you'll see the review of what I think about it will be a very short amount of time, probably just a few days. So without any further ado, let's jump right in.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down, flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round, for my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. And this is why I do this.
Okay, and we're back. Like always, let me remind you guys, make sure you're subscribed. Wait a few seconds, click that bell, click the all there, and that way you'll be notified about future videos, and it's free to do. Also in the description below, if you'd like to know more about working for Dart Transit, the recruiter I work with, information's there. Phone number, feel free to give them a call. Tell them you've been watching Trucker Todd on YouTube. Give them my driver number of 58180. It'll help me out a lot, and I'll appreciate it, and it won't cost you anything either. Also, my email and Instagram are there. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions you'd like to ask me. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share this video on your social media platforms. Now, before we unbox, let's talk about this. It has satellite radio in it. I probably won't use that. It has a dash cam that is adjustable. I think the first generation was not adjustable. And so we're going to try that out and see how that does. It has ELDs on it. I probably will not use that either. It comes with 3 months of satellite radio. As I said, I probably won't use that either. Price on it was $549 plus tax, but it did have a $200 rebate, mail-in rebate, so my net cost will end up being around $350 plus tax. Let's see, what else do we want to say about this? It attaches magnetically, and some people had complained on the first generation about the suction cup. Hopefully this one will be better. Let's talk about what's in the box. Hopefully you can see that. Obviously the tablet itself is in there. The magnetic mount. The antenna for satellite radio, which I won't be hooking that up. And the mounting equipment. An FM transmitter antenna. An auxiliary cable. A charger. A USB cable, and a screen protector, and a quick start something. It's hard to read backwards. Quick start guide. And so let's take a look at it and see what we think. first thing we'll do, and then I'll have to change camera angles, is we'll cut this security tape here. Alrighty. It opens kind of like this. Here's those manuals that almost nobody reads. I'll probably glance at them later and talk about them in the review video if there's anything there to say. Of course, you have the tablet. It's in a protective sleeve. Well, let me change angles so you guys can see this better. Okay, so we're going to try this again. We'll open the box, and then here's the foamy stuff. There's the tablet in the protective sleeve. We'll look at it a little more in a second. Here's all the cables and hoses, not hoses, cables and mounting stuff under here. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of anything that I can see. A little tough to do one-handed, yeah. Nothing in there. So pretty straightforward. And so I'll get this hooked up. I'll use it a little, and then we'll come back with another video. Let's look at the tablet itself for a second. Oh, if we don't break it. Of course, here's the adjustable camera. We'll fiddle with that some too. And I may include some of the road footage that the dash camera includes, or provides in future videos. I'm going to wrap this one up for now. I got to get to driving. Y'all have a great day, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks. Bye.